Hello friend, today we will learn dictionary data structure of Python. Dictionary is one of the Python's built-in data types. It defines one-to-one relationship between keys and values. That means each value can be accessed through the key. By knowing the key only, you can get access to the values. And keys must be immutable data type. That means we cannot change in place value of a key. For example, string, tuples can be a possible keys for the dictionary, but we cannot use list as a key of a dictionary because list is a mutable type of data structure. Here I want to show how to create a dictionary. In first case, I am creating a empty dictionary here, and in the second case, I am creating a non-empty type of dictionary. By using curly parentheses and having no value inside it, we can create a empty dictionary. But to create a non-empty type of dictionary, we have to mention the key value and the value associated with the key. Here Saurabh is a key and the value associated with key Saurabh is 27, and Sachin is another key and the value associated with Sachin is 49. So if we want to access the value 27, then we must have to go through the key value Saurabh, and in order to access the value 49, we must go through the key Sachin. Here we are forming to another dictionary by using the dict built-in function of Python. In first case, I am here passing a dictionary to the dict function. But in the second case, here this is one tuple and this is another tuple, and this total is a list of tuples. And in this method of forming a dictionary, we are passing a list of tuples to the function dict, and dict is a inbuilt function of Python. In all these cases, we are first creating a key, then assigning a value to the key, and the value is assigned to the key after the colon. This is also same way we are assigning the value 26 to the key Rohit. But in the last case, we are wrapping a value with key. So first thing is your key, then the value. This first is your key and then the next is your value. So this key value pair is wrapped inside a parenthesis. Then they are forming a list of tuple. Then they are passing through the dict built-in function of Python. Accessing a value of a dictionary is very simple. We just need to know the key required to get the value. Here, to get the value 26, we need to know the keys to Rohit. So to get the value 26, we just need to pass the key Rohit to the dictionary dict3. This will give the result 26. For each built-in data type, there are present a number of methods. The methods associated with each data structure will be explained in our later videos.